Hi, my name is Ellen McIntosh, and this is my lifelong learning presentation. So I said that continuous learning is important to me because it allows me to expand my current skill set and develop new skills and abilities. I think it's important because we're constantly evolving, there's constantly new things to learn, and in order to take advantage of new opportunities as well as grow as a person, I think you need to expand what you already have, as well as learn new things in order to be successful, as well as be a well-rounded individual. Some skills and subjects that I have learned over the year. Photography, I just bought a new camera and I have been learning the technical side of things and learning how to work them, as well as just know angles, as well and just learn the art of photography. I've also started paddleboarding. I didn't prior to this year, and I've found that it's a really fun skill and it's a good just kind of mindless thing to do to get outdoors. And then how to take care of a dog. I decided to adopt a dog. Her name is Rosie, and just learn responsibility and how to take care of something other than myself. Some skills that I hope to learn for this project is I want to learn more about the fashion industry. I started out in fashion merchandising, and I want to kind of go back to that. And I also specifically want to know how it is being impacted by COVID-19. I have debated doing a website for this project in order to write some blogs and just have a nice portfolio piece for my portfolio. So I also want to learn how to incorporate anchors into this new website though, because I've never had to do that, and learn other new website design tools just so I can become a more well-rounded website designer. And then again, I want to work on my skill of photography, so I want to take photos and create a gallery within my project's website. Thank you very much.